following portion of Meet Your Neighbor is brought to you by Acadiana Elder Law Clinic.
Welcome back. Joining us in studio right now, David Groner of the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic. Thanks for being here.
It's good to be back, Taylor.
It's always good to see you. Okay, this question I feel like is an important one. So why hasn't a lawyer or a financial planner informed me about a Medicaid protection trust? I feel like that's important for someone to know about.
It is important. It's why we're on the set today, giving the public information. And the reason is very simple. Most lawyers, almost all the lawyers, are not trained in Medicaid, the intricacies of Medicaid planning. Just not something you learn in law school, and you don't learn it in the rough and tumble world of litigation or the type of practice that most other lawyers do. And the other part is the use of trusts. Most lawyers are not trained in the use of trust, so they don't, that's not their area of practice. So if they don't know and they're not trained in it, they're not going to recommend it. So there you go with lawyers. With financial planners, and I see this quite often, they make money investing your money. They're not in the business of helping you plan for your estate planning for what happens if you go in a nursing home. That's not their expertise. And a lot of them closely guard their income, which they're making money off of your IRA or 401k. They don't want to lose it, so they won't recommend it. So, you know, it's a problem that I have with some. Now, some financial planners are brilliant. They understand trust. They want their clients to have the full benefit of protection as they get older. And they send me a lot of clients, and I really appreciate it. But some, man, sometimes I'm up against a brick wall. And I'm trying to encourage them to come up with a plan to help the client transition from them to a trust to protect their income, their money.
Yeah, well, I'm glad that we tackled this topic too. Always ask about that Medicaid Protection Trust. David, for our friends at home, how can they come see you? I know you have 2 offices and you do some workshops.
We do, and I see a lot of people both in Lafayette and New Iberia. Of course, the easiest way is to come to a workshop. We take an hour of your time, and we cover all these areas of information so that when you leave, you'll at least be a little smarter than when you walked in. And that's what we laugh about when people come. So, you know, call. And if you can't come to a workshop, come see me. I'll sit down and at least go through your particular areas of concern and see if we can come up with a plan to help you.
Well, David, a wealth of information as always. Thanks for hanging out with us. Call that number that you see right there on the bottom of your screen. The ladies at David's office will take great care of you. We'll also put this on KLFY.com. We'll be right back after this.